In this video, I will guide you on how to see where any X account was created or based in. In this video, I will guide you on how to see where any X account was created or based in. First, launch open the X app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now look for the account that you want to check. You can tap on the search bar and then search for that account as well. Now open their profile page. Then you want to tap on this joined date right here. Go ahead and tap on it. This is the About This Account section. Now look for the option of Account Based In. You should be able to see the country or region that this account has been created or is based in. Keep in mind that this information is not always the user's actual physical location, but this is a location where this account was created or is based in. So in this way, you can easily check out where any X account was created or is based in. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.